everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now here I've taken 1 cup of oats and I've just ground it to a very fine powder. So we get oats flour. Now this is 1 medium onion chopped fine. This is 2 tablespoons of very fine semolina or rava. This is the juice of half a lemon. Some fresh coriander chopped. Some salt to taste. This is some cumin seeds and some garam masala, about 1 teaspoon each. And that is about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. This is 1 light green chilli chopped fine. Now all the ingredients along with the method will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Now I'm just going to add my cumin seeds or jeera, garam masala, coriander powder, haldi powder, turmeric powder to the oats which we have ground fine, and we're going to give it a mix. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste, mix it again. Next goes in my onions, some lemon juice, now give everything a nice mix. Now I'm going to add my freshly chopped coriander, about half a cup, the light green chili that I've chopped fine, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of water and mix it all in well. Now I've also added my rava or semolina. I guess I forgot to take a shot of that, but add the semolina at the beginning with the oats. Now I've just heated up my iron pan, just brush some oil in it, and once your oil is hot, we want a very watery kind of batter, because you will see that as you keep the batter aside, it will the oats start soaking up the water, so you might have to add water in between. But we want a very runny consistency, something similar to the rava dosa that I had shown you. A little runny, not a very thick batter. And then we're just going to cover and cook it for about half a minute. And once you'll see that the sides start to turn a little golden brown in color, or the edges of this pancake or ghavan will start turning a little golden brown or dark brown in color, just loosen it up with your spatula or olatna. And then we're just going to flip it over and cook it on the other side too. So I'm just waiting for the edges to brown a little more before I flip it. Yeah, and you get a lovely light golden brown color like this. And then we're just going to let the other side also crisp up a bit. So just press it down with your spatula like this.
And once the other side also gets a little bit golden brown in color, your ghavan or your spicy oats pancake is all ready to be served. And our ghavan is ready. So you can just put it onto a plate. You can serve this with some tomato ketchup or some coconut chutney. The choice is yours. But this is an ideal light a breakfast or a light snack, and it's very healthy too. So just a little brush of oil, or you can even use clarified butter or ghee. Now just remember, you might have to add a little water, like I said before, because the oats keep soaking up the water. But we want a very runny consistency, and then just pour it in this fashion. You can make it as small or as big as you want. You can make it a little bigger like a dosa, or you can make them into small tiny pancakes too. And then just spread it around like this a bit. And with regard to the semolina, if you don't have fine semolina or rava at home, if you have the coarse one, just grind it in your mixer till you get a very fine powder. And you have to add it immediately in the first stage only. After you grind the oats to a fine powder, you add the semolina. I missed that part in the beginning. Sorry for that. I guess my camera didn't get that. So remember to add the rava. The rava just helps to give it more of a body, and it also gives it a little bit of a nice flavor too. So that's it, friends. This is our lovely spicy oats pancake or ghavan. So do try it out and let me know how you like it.
So friends, wasn't it really simple and with very few ingredients? So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you give it a try. And if you do, then don't forget to leave your comments in this comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. And once you do that, then also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, a little bell will show up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a video or a recipe, you'll be the first one to know. You'll get a message for the same. Also, to find me on YouTube, just type the recipe you're looking for, and at the side of it or the next to it, just type Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for chicken curry, just write chicken curry Akshata's recipes, and all my chicken curry recipes will come up. Also, I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, and I have my own blog page. All links will be down in the description box below. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a nice day. Be safe, stay healthy, stay at home, and be kind and loving to one another. And I'll catch you in my next recipe and next video sooner than you think. Take care, guys. Bye.